Welcome to the introductory video for Advantage Tax and Accounting. My name is Mike, and I'm going to be your tour guide through a little bit of a journey through the tax code, bookkeeping tips, small business planning, all kinds of different things. And I'm going to start today just by kind of explaining the entire point of all this, right? So the entire point of all this is there's a lot of noise when it comes to tax law. Let's be honest, it's out there everywhere, right? It's easy to complain about taxes, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I mean, we all have to play by the same rules, whether we like them or don't like them, whether we want to argue about them on social media or just accept them as they are. So sometimes on TV, talking heads, politicians like to bend what is actually in the law to make a narrative sound a little bit better. This may be shocking to hear, but sometimes politicians lie on TV. So my entire point here is kind of just try to take what the actual tax law is and explain it to people in ways that might just make a little bit more sense and give them some tips to help them along the way. I thought I would tell everybody a little bit about the firm. I'm here at Advantage Tax and Accounting. Like I've said earlier, we're here in southern Indiana. It's a little bit of a warm day outside. This is being filmed on July 1st, 2026. There's a bit of a heat wave going on outside right now. But we are in southern Indiana, and we've been around since 2008. And we were formed by Cleo Holder. He's just a wonderful gentleman. And he's really deeply rooted in faith and his family and community and service. That's just who that man is, if you've gotten to know him by any means. And to that end, that's who we are. That's all of us. It permeates throughout the work that we do, the staff that are in the building. Everything we do is to try to be rooted in that faith, family, and service. And that's why this entire video series is going to exist, right? Just to try to tell people a little bit more and help them out. And as for me, like I said, my name is Mike Finazzo. I've been doing taxes and bookkeeping and accounting work since I graduated college in 2002. That feels like a long time ago, but it's still, I'm a young guy, right? Sure, why not? So I've got a little bit of experience in what I do. I've done a multitude of different work. Business work, small businesses, corporations, S-corps, partnerships, oil and gas, farmers, rental properties, you name it, I've probably touched it at some point. Trusts, estates, and on, right? Not for profit. So I've gotten to do a whole bunch of different types of things. I'm incredibly fortunate in that aspect. And because of that, since I've gotten to do so much, I kind of thought I might be a good lead at the firm here to take on this role. And like I said, we're going to talk about a whole bunch of things going forward, try to help you guys understand more of not only what the law is, but how you can utilize it to the best of your advantage and what pitfalls you might be able to avoid along the way. So please tell me, what topics would you like to hear a future video about? We've got a few ideas coming up, but we're always going to be open to new ideas. That is the entire point of it. Please feel free to drop a comment down below and tell me what you'd like to see, or get a hold of us, call the office, whatever the case may be, because we want to be of service and we want to help. So we look forward to doing this, and we're excited about it, and we think that together we have the advantage. Thank you.